y'all, welcome to the daily vlog. Not gonna lie, I'm a little sad. I don't know, I've just been feeling under the weather. Like, on top of me feeling like a little sick in my throat, I just feel under the weather. And I need to put on my contacts because I don't have them in at the moment. You know what? This is a look. This is going to be the look for today. I'm gonna just give my eyes a little break from those contacts. But yeah, nothing really much going on today. I'm probably just going to finish up some work and stuff like that. My body has just kind of been telling me that I need to kind of like, you know, do a little bit more resting and kind of just chill out a little bit. And so I'm just going to relax for today and get some work done. I don't know. It's pretty much all I have. If anything else comes to mind, I will come to the vlog, but that's pretty much all I have for right now. So I will see you in the next clip. I just don't freaking feel good. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna eat something like extremely spicy, because not only am I craving something extremely spicy, like some spicy noodles or just something extremely spicy. I actually just got over a sickness before I even started vlogging. So this was like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just got over a sickness, and then now lo and behold, you know, I'm sick right again. But this feels a little different. I don't know exactly how this is going to pan out, but I guess we'll see. Okay, I ended up going to the grocery outlet and I got some things. I also went to the 99-cent store, and they had this extra spicy tapatio noodles. So I'm gonna be trying that out. And then I also got a pizza and some spicy sausage. The pizza is also spicy too because it has spicy pepperoni, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna be trying those things out, and I am kind of excited because I am extremely hungry. So let's go. All right, hey y'all, I'm starting to feel a little bit better, but not 100%. My nose isn't running as much as it was before. However, I'm still very congested, and I don't know, my chest kind of just feels a little tight, and my back muscles feels a little bit sore. So right now it is 8:30. I'm going to call it a night, honestly. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed so I can get, you know, enough rest, you know, because resting and water and, you know, stuff like that is really the only way to feel a lot better. So I'm just gonna do that. Right now I just left the Rayleighs. That dinner was probably one of the best I've had. I didn't really finish it and I was kind of upset with myself because I don't like, you know, biting off more than I can chew, if that makes sense. I didn't waste too much. I just wasted one of the sausages and a slice of pizza, but it was so freaking good. I just couldn't finish it. But anyway, I am going to call it a night, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.